Hi everybody, this is Alana with J. Lavu Jewelry, and I am opening up my Vintaj VIP box. Just so you know, Vintaj has provided this to me for free for my unboxing video. The opinions that you are going to see are mine alone. I've subscribed to them for a couple of months now, and I really like their products. They're high quality, made in the USA by artisans, so I'm very happy to be supporting a small business. So I actually filmed this video a long time ago but had no voice. I was severely sick with bronchitis and nearly wound up in the hospital. So that's why this video is late in coming out. So I apologize for that. My next video will be out a lot sooner. I was able to get a few video of the things that I've made closer to the end. Well, it is actually at the end. So let's start with what came in the box. So this is the project, and you can see that they have a few different project ideas for this month. There are no instructions for this, so you do have to use your imagination. It's kind of a suggestion of the different things that you can make with the products that they provided in the box. Then they've got their little thing about the Vintaj VIP with the website you can go to. And then the sticker this month is My Happy Place, which I put on my travel bead board. So these are the little bags. There's usually 3 baggies, or actually 4 baggies. There's a couple of things with the metal findings. There's something from Green Girl Studios, and then a bead with, or a bag with beads in it, not a bead with bags in it. I'm dyslexic. So this one's from Green Girl Studios. They are a small, very small, I believe a husband and wife team. And this month they gave us an owl, which looks kind of like a coin. It's an antique silver color, and it's really pretty on both sides. I'm actually planning on turning this one into a necklace, like on a cord. I think it'll be a really nice kind of an antique look and very simple. And it's very sturdy, can't really bend it. So I'll put that to the side. And then this bag that I'm working on, oh, I guess I wanted to put that out and display it. There's that too. All right, so on to the next bag. This one seems to have different things in it. Looks like there's some leather cord. A jewel. Those look like they are maybe African trade beads where they like use recycled glass. I could be wrong. There's really not a description for the items that come in the box, but I'm really thinking this is like the recycled glass beads. If I'm wrong, let me know in the description what they are. They're not gemstone. They're definitely some sort of handmade bead. And they're a really pretty color. I do really like that green. So then they send this jewel. It doesn't look like Swarovski. There was no notes about there being items from Swarovski this month. But it's a really big piece, and there's really shiny. They also sent a setting for it, and you can see how well it goes together. Now on the setting you could potentially do some patinas in there to make the design pop. The background seems Asian to me in style. It's really pretty, and I can't wait to actually use this in a piece. I didn't make something yet. I did set the stone. I just haven't quite decided how I want to display this in the necklace. You can see the prongs are really sturdy. I did have to pry them open a little bit to get the stone in there, and then I used a popsicle stick to carefully put them back over the stone. This next piece is some leather. It's really nice and thick, and their suggestion is to use it in a bracelet. I'm going to use it in the bracelet, but I'm still waiting. I need to purchase some more colors of patina in order to do what I want to do. And then those are some bicone beads. I do believe those are Swarovski. I use that in the necklace that you will see at the end of this video. And then there's a check glass. It's a table cut bead, and it kind of has a peridot green color. It's a little transparent on one end and more opaque on the other, and it's very beautiful in color. It's just a nice spring green, and it does go really well with the color of the gem. Then there's another bead that I believe is a check glass bead with some little flourish at the in the center of it. It's kind of a cream color, and that's really beautiful as well. I have an idea for that. Then those look like they're Magatama beads from Miyuki. I have some Magatama in my collection, so that's why I'm like 90% sure that that's what these are. They are kind of a transparent color, but almost a silver gray, but so light. It really will go with anything that you choose to use it with. Now I'm opening the next bag here, and there's these really beautiful copper hoops, and in the design they showed some pieces wrapped around it, but there's lots that you can do. There's the back, so you can see how well made this is. You could glue Swarovski on there, or like, not Swarovski, but flat backs. That's the word I'm looking for. But there's a lot you can do with those hoops. I did make something with them. This little charm is a bird. It's really cute and adorable. I made a bracelet with this because I wanted to do that. I switched a few things up. I kind of expanded on the ideas. Then there's this triangle piece with a very ornate design on it. Nice back. It's hollowed out, so it won't be heavy, but it's also not lightweight and bendable, if that makes any sense. Now we have this medallion piece with a flower in the center, and it's a really pretty shiny gold tone. You could, of course, antique it if you wanted to, add some Swarovski gemstones, or not Swarovski, again, I said that, but I mean flat backs. I just happen to have a lot of Swarovski flat backs. And then there's this bracelet. It's a charm bracelet style, and I was able to find a price on this, and this retails for $10 on their website. And I believe if I went back to the first piece that we saw, the owl charm from Green Girl Studios, I believe that one retails at $12 or $13. There was only a few pieces that I could find online on their website. Now those are some little cute bar style, I don't know whether to call them pendants or charms. Let's just call them components. They have holes on them, and they'd be really cute to dangle. You could just take one of those copper hoops if you wanted to and punch some holes in it and dangle them from there. But I did follow the suggestion, and I used them on this triangle piece here. I added some Swarovski crystals, which you will see later. Yeah, it kind of just went together so perfectly that I had to make it with this triangle piece. All right, so we are moving on to the next bag, which has some pieces in it that I'm saving to use because I want some more colors of patina in order to make it look the way I want to. So first is this medallion here with a mosaic, or what's the right word, a mandala pattern in it. And I wanted to do some different patina on the inside. It's extremely sturdy, very thick. And then there's this sunflower piece as well. It's really beautiful. But I want to get some yellow so I can make the flowers yellow. I call it sunflowers, but they're just flowers. And I'm going to end up making that bracelet. There are the little pieces that the design suggestion said to put around the copper ear hoops, which is something that I ended up doing. And they're really pretty. Of course, they're versatile. You could use them just as earrings on their own, but I did bend them around the copper hoops. So you can see all the different products that came in the box this month. This retails, I believe, for $39 or $40, something like that. if I recall, I did see the mandala shape, the one I want to do patina in. I think that was like a $10 piece that I could see online. So, you know, it's quite a value that you are getting. And here I'm putting these beads on there like they showed, and the holes are really nice so that they're going to be able to smoothly go through. I plan on making most of the pieces as shown, with like slight variations kind of to personalize it. I'm really in love with those earrings here. And I think I'm showing you kind of how they wrap it around. And actually what you're going to do is you line up the two holes where you would hang it from the earring, and then you wrap it around carefully. That's how I found it worked best. If you're going for that, of course, if you do something else too, you can do that. I really want to make that pendant with the little cream-colored bead with the swirl in the center. Yeah, I was kind of debating if I wanted to use that cord and just do the owl pendant with it, or if I wanted to do the bracelet, and I think I have decided I'm going to end up doing the bracelet with it. Alright, so unfortunately this one took me a while to get stuff made because I'd been seriously ill this month. I almost wound up in the hospital with bronchitis. So I wanted to show you what I ended up making with the Vintaj bead box. So here's the first item. I used the triangle piece, the little bar dangles, and I think that's it. Oh wait, no, the Swarovski crystals there. Let's zoom in on that. In the center I used a Swarovski flat back here, and for the center dangle, to make it a little longer, I added a couple 8/0 seed beads that I had. And then I used just a basic gold chain. And in the center here, or hanging from the chain, I put some Malaysian jade here. No, I'm sorry, this is jasper. I used jasper and freshwater pearls. So there's this piece. I really like how it turned out. It's kind of Art Deco-y. So I did too. This is my take of the suggested design with this. For the bracelet, I did this vastly different. Well, not vastly, but quite different. I used the little bird charm because I thought it was really cute. And then I just did the Miyuki Megatamas on the side here so that it's just laying very delicately in the center. I can't do this, I can't really put this on myself. It's too difficult right now. But it really dangles really nicely. Just gonna lay it flat here for a second and zoom in. It would have been kind of cool if I had more of these Megatamas to go a little further along with this, but it does look really nice on, and it's a nice kind of a stacking bracelet too. You can wear it by itself or stacking, so that's how that one turned out. Some of the other pieces I really want to use, but I'm waiting. I need to buy some more patinas to do what I want to do with the pieces. And for the earrings, I wrapped these around like the suggested design, and then these turquoise beads were from another Vintage monthly box. I forget which one. It was December or January, I think. So in any case, there were some of the pieces I didn't use in that box, but I decided to hang these from the center because I just thought it added a little pizzazz. So this is just a slightly modified version of their design. And I didn't do anything to the metal, I just bent it around. So that is how these turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate your patience, and this next video I fully intend to have out within a week of getting the box. So thanks for watching. We will see you again next time.